Imagine the power that resides in the hands of a hacker. Could a single individual, armed with nothing more than a keyboard, change the world? Could they reshape the very fabric of our digital existence? There was a time when our protagonist was just another face in the crowd. Ignored, dismissed, belittled. A voice once echoed in his ears, a voice of disdain, of dismissal. You? You can't change a thing. The system wasn't built for people like you. But within him, a fire was kindled. A fire fueled by insult, by dismissal, by the desire to prove them wrong. Fast forward to now. Our protagonist, bathed in the cold light of a laptop screen, retorts with a smirk, "The system wasn't built for me? Well, I just crashed the system." A flurry of keystrokes, the rattle of a keyboard, and the world as we know it changes. Access granted. CCTV feeds glitch. Bank servers blink. Social media accounts lay bare. A single mistake, and the entire system is exposed. News channels are abuzz. Data leaks. Powerful individuals exposed. The world is in chaos. And our protagonist? He simply turns off his screen, leaning back in the quiet satisfaction of a job well done. With a smirk, the protagonist concludes, "I am not a criminal. I am a reminder that no system is ever truly secure." He has proven that knowledge is power, and that even the most secure system can be brought down by a single individual. The power of a hacker, ladies and gentlemen, not to be underestimated, not to be dismissed. For in this digital age, they hold the power to change the world. One keystroke at a time.